Yes. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do the license thing first. Are we still on here? We are. Okay. We're going for a walk. And here's all these beautiful people. Working on the speech here. I don't know if you know anything about sound, but what's the sound happens here? It takes like a second now before the sound goes to the back part. So when we're down there, we're hearing like what I'm playing with the second after as well. Totally deserves a round of applause on my behalf. By the way, we're on Periscope right now as well. Yes. So we're live. Hello everybody. Live across the World Wide Web. Digging that dress. Awesome. Gentlemen. Gentlemen. Sony over here. Gentlemen. No, not this way. Around this way. Hello sir, how are you? You alright? What's going on? Oh, we have a little private audience on the B stage. It's nice, isn't it? For once to have a little audience. A little audience. You don't count. You don't count. I'll fix this mic. He should say, what's the crack? How long it takes. Like I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Yeah, they're like, what's he talking about now? I don't know where I'm going to put this. Let's put it on the floor for now. Crazy. When do you guys keep that up on us? Just while we're doing this? Would you just film us while we're doing this? I'll film me, okay? Yeah, just me.
Every Hola. Look at all these cool people. Flag bearers. Oh, they're walking around. We smell. We officially smell. Let me see
Live on
what's
Periscope. The official sponsor.
right now. We are actually live on the net. Have a look at all the cool people. Who you telling? I think Dan forgets he's got a microphone. He's telling us a joke or something. But he's really telling about 200 people. Look.
That is funny. They're so into the product placement over there.
Wouldn't it be awesome if all the time we walk